How to instant deposit from bank to crypto.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video, I'll show you how you can instantly transfer funds from your bank to your crypto.com and then deposit them right away. So make sure to watch the video till the end. For that, you want to make sure to open up your crypto.com app, tap on the option where it says transfer. And then here you'll choose the option called deposit. So just tap on the deposit button. Once you do that, it'll ask you to deposit crypto or fiat. And since we're trying to link our bank account, of course, we want to select fiat currency. Once you choose fiat, here, if you do not see your own currency listed up, you can choose the option called set up new currency and then choose a currency that you like. But I'm just going to leave it to USD. Then here you have three options, basically wire transfer, bank deposit, or link bank account. So you can see at the very top it says no fee, and then it is also instant. So all you need to do is first of all link a bank account. So just tap on the link bank account button. Once you do and tap on the link account option, here you'll find the option called deposit now. Just tap on it. You'll also be able to see all of the details that comes with it, and then just enter the dollars worth of USD that you want to go ahead and then deposit over to your app, and just choose from the bank. And if you have not added a bank account, you might want to tap on the option that says add a bank account. Here it'll give you a little pop-up that says it uses Plaid, which is a third-party service to connect your account. And then after that, search for your bank, enter your bank credentials such as your online banking or mobile banking, tap on the submit option. Once you do so, you can see confirm USD deposit, tap and confirm again. Now we have enabled instant deposit. Next time whenever we want to withdraw or transfer funds or deposit funds as well to crypto.com, we'll be able to do it instantly because we have linked our bank account. That's all it takes to instantly deposit funds from bank to your crypto.com app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.